Don't look now, but Roku has a soundbar. The company is best known for its streaming sticks and boxes, as well as Roku TVs, all of which are among CNET's favorites thanks to their simplicity, app selection, and low price. The new Roku soundbar promises the same level of simplicity, but $180 it's not exactly cheap. So what makes this soundbar smart? In a word, apps. Roku's bar is one of the first to build in a full smart TV streaming suite, complete with Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Spotify. That means you don't need to buy an external Roku streamer or deal with the apps built into your TV. Just connect the bar to any television and you're good to listen to music, watch movies, or stream from any of Roku's thousands of apps. It even plays video in 4K HDR. One thing the bar doesn't have, however, is built-in voice. To get it to respond to voice commands, you'll have to either pair it with an Alexa or Google speaker, or talk into the included voice remote. The clicker can control your TV's power as well as the bar's streaming and volume, making it the only remote you'll likely need for a simple system. There's just one HDMI connection required between the TV and the soundbar. The bar doesn't include a subwoofer, but Roku will sell you one for an additional $180. It's got a big 10-inch woofer and 250 watts of power, making it more substantial than the subwoofers included with many soundbars, and Roku says pairing with the main soundbar is a cinch. Unlike many competitors, however, there's no way to add rear surround speakers to the bar. It's strictly stereo only. Roku touts extras like automatic volume limiting and night mode, conveniently accessible on the TV screen itself, and says digital signal processing will help fill a room with sound. We'll wait to test one in our lab to see how it compares with the competition. The Roku soundbar is at Roku's website and Best Buy and ships in October. Look for a full CNET review soon.